Let's see how to install Picasso DG photo album making software, the best software to create any printable album within click. Open Google Drive link on your PC browser and download complete folder. Ensure good internet speed, as huge size it take time to download. Once download on PC, you can see 4 zip files. First extract Picasso serial key setup file. Now open extracted folder in that you get Picasso software installation zip. Extract that file. Now open extracted folder in that you get Picasso software setup executable, just double click on it or run as admin. After run, if you get antivirus or defender warning, click on more info, then run anyway option. Now click on next, choose location, where to install and finish setup. Before installing template and data need to start application once. On desktop, click on Picasso icon, enter password as Picasso and start software. Now close application and go to download folder again in that extract template 01 zip file. Open new extracted folder template pack 001 in that you find Picasso template pack setup file, double click and run setup. Enter your license name and key that you get on email. Now wait for setup to finish template pack 001 installation. It will take time. Once setup finish again, go to download folder and extract template pack 002 zip. Open extracted folder in that you will find template pack 002 setup, run it. Enter your license name and key that you get on email. Now wait for setup to finish template pack. Once setup finish, again go to download folder and extract datapack zip. Open extracted folder. In that you will find datapack setup, run it. Again same procedure, enter license key detail and finish setup. As setup is huge, it take time to finish it. Now all setup finish, so we can start software again with same procedure. Every time to start software you need to enter password, which is PICASSO in small letter. Once software start, we can see all template and data install in template and data gallery. There are thousands of ready template and frames, clip art, mask, background. So now start creating any album in any size. Thanks.